This is South Bend lathe. This is a heavy 10. This one is a 4.5 foot bed, which is about 36 inches between centers. It's probably the best one you could get. It has a long bed, has a taper attachment. Also, it has the large chrome dials, both on the cross slide and the compound. And it is a decam lock chuck or spindle. This lathe sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Sounds very good. Go ahead and hit the turn it in reverse there, Roger. Go ahead and turn it off and then turn it back on. That's reverse. And that's forward. So as you can see, it sounds good. This one has the door with the shelves. Does not come with any accessories except for the collet rack. We didn't get anything with it. This one is wired up 223 phase. And if you're looking for a good lathe for you gunsmiths out there or anybody else, this is a good one.